What's up mga quiz mga atis? Welcome back sa akin channel. This is Quiz Alan. Ang ngayon araw, papanoorin natin yung official trailer ng last installment ng Mission Impossible ni Tom Cruise. At ito yung Mission Impossible The Final Reckoning. So, hindi ko na ito patatagalin pa. Papanoorin natin yung trailer at mamaya ibigay kong reaction at opinion ko on the said trailer. So, let's go!
This can't all be true.
Every word.
CIA Black Vault break-in.
Am I reading this correctly? The Kremlin bombing?
In fairness, the bomb was actually meant to kill him.
He gassed a security briefing.
That was just 2 months ago.
This explains the handcuffs. It's still not clear why he's here.
If we want to bring the world back from the brink, we have to deal with him.
Should he choose to accept?
Smart people on every side are close to panicking.
What exactly is your plan?
Your team has been betrayed, Ethan. All your secrets
Compromised.
everything you are, everything you've done. It's come to this.
You gave him an aircraft carrier? Our lives are the sum of our choices. This is your calling, your destiny. I have no regrets. Neither should you.
I need you to trust me. One last time.
Okay, there you go. Napanood natin yung official trailer ng Mission Impossible Final Reckoning. So, tulad na sinabi ko earlier na this is the final installment ng Mission Impossible. So, actually, this is the part 2 nung part na to. Last part ng Mission Impossible we have last year. I don't know, last year or 2023. Tapos ito. And, so, I hope this will be the last talaga na hindi na siya makakaroon pa ng sequels in the future. Kasi medyo, to be honest with you, hindi ako masyadong fan ng mga movie na sobrang daming sequel. Okay lang sa akin 1 to 3 sequels, yung 3 trilogy nga sabi nga nila. Pero yung more than 3, it's enough na, sobra na, it's too much, di ba? I don't hate Mission Impossible. Actually, I like Mission Impossible. Maganda yung storyline niya, especially the first one. I like the first movie nila, yung Mission Impossible. Yun nga lang, nagiging problema kasi sa mga sobrang daming sequels yung storyline niya. Even though this one, Mission Impossible, hindi naman siya na-sacrifice yung storyline niya. Actually, sa Amerika, it is critically naman na acclaim, di ba? Marami man maganda yun naman yung mga reviews niya with all the sequels, except mayroon ata isang sequels nitong Mission Impossible na nag-fail ata, I think part 2 or part 3, pero the rest okay, pasado, di ba? So action pack, di ba? Action pack naman to. So what to expect with this movie installment, action pack, and makikita natin tagbo lagi magtagbo ni Tom Cruise, even despite of his age na I think nasa 60 na siya, still nakakatagbo pa rin siya. And what's good about this movie, si Tom Cruise mismo gumagawa ng stunts niya mostly, diba? That's why magandang panoorin. I have no idea with the storyline dito kasi connected siya to sa isang inaunang part, diba? Pero hindi ko na panood yun, so I have no idea. So, pero based to sa nakita, parang Tom Cruise is given another chance para tapusin yung mission niya. And yun nga, parang tulad ng sinabi niya sa last part ng movie, trust me for the final one, diba? So, yun. So, ako makapagpahinga na si Tom Cruise sa pagtagbo-dakbo sa paggawa ng mga stunts kasi too old na siya for this. Maybe if there is another installment, paka-reboot na yan, and a younger actor will play for the role of Tom Cruise, diba? Again, I like this movie. Hindi naman tayo nag-feel deep. Hindi naman tayo nag-feel every time na mayroon to. Yun nga lang, ako unfortunately I was not able to watch the last movie before this, diba? And kasi nga medyo na-umay na ako, ang daming sequels, ang daming storyline. So yun. So I can recommend this one to all the fans of Tom Cruise and even of the MI franchise. Yan. So I hope panoorin nyo to. Definitely mag-enjoy kayo kasi lalo na sa mga action movies, diba? Yun. So action pack. So actually the MI, ito lalo ko sinasabi, MI is the American version of James Bond, diba? So na mas action, na mas talagang action pack talaga, and with a very good story, guys. So yun. So yung mga quiz, mga atheist, na gustuhan nyo ba yung trailer ng MI or Mission Impossible The Final Reckoning, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba at babasahin ko lahat ng mga comments yun, and I will try to interact with you guys. So there you go, maraming salamat, have a nice day, and bye bye.